in the tent. The brother's life is swiftly spent.
The king is dead without a blade, a dark and unholy bargain made.
The giant maid must flee the night,
with heavy tears and furious might,
to swear an oath of shield and sword,
to serve the broken northern lord. The red god demands a tragic fee
for the 3 lives she set so free.
A man appears with changing face,
to bring the killers their disgrace.
Name the target, speak the word.
The finest whispers ever heard.
The tickler falls upon the stone.
The ghost of Harrenhal unknown.
Speak the name, the shadows fall. The ghost is walking through the hall. 3 deaths to pay the iron debt.
The red god never will forget.
The green fire waits inside the jar, to burn the kingdom near and far.
In Qarth the golden towers gleam,
A hollow trap, a wealthy dream.
they offer ships, they offer gold, to buy the dragon's bought and sold.
Valar Morghulis,
The shadow cries,
as another brutal
oppressor dies.
the coin is
The
cast,
steel is bound,
no footprints left.
upon the ground.
Tyrion watches,
Green fire glow,
the ultimate weapon for the fall.
speak the name, the shadows fall.
The ghost is walking,
Through the hole,
3 deaths to pay the iron debt.
the red god never will forget.
The green fire waits inside the jar, to burn the kingdom near and far. The first name dies.
A man has spoken.
Valar Morghulis.